Thank you for joining me. Today, let's address the mounting challenges we face as educators. Our classrooms have transformed and we're dealing with unprecedented stress and demands. But remember, we're not alone in this struggle. Our peaceful learning spaces are now overwhelmed by constant demands and pressure to foster collaboration and support project-based learning. The role of manipulatives in teaching is crucial, yet it adds to our heavy workload. However, we can turn this around. Let's create vibrant, dynamic classrooms that nurture both students and ourselves. We must advocate for our spaces, reimagine our layouts, and use tools like ActiveWall to optimize our classrooms. We aim to make learning exciting and collaborative. Enter ActiveWall, a solution that revolutionizes classroom storage. ActiveWall offers high-density, versatile storage that can be tailored to various activities like libraries, student workshops, digital tools, makerspace, and more. It's time to move beyond outdated storage systems and embrace innovative designs that enhance our teaching practices. Literacy is paramount. The in-room library feature of ActiveWall brings 350 books right into our classrooms. It's about providing access and sparking a love for reading. Students engage, discuss, and learn. Collaboration is a vital skill for the 21st century. ActiveWall transforms classrooms into collaboration hubs with movable dividers and whiteboard surfaces. It empowers students to work together, enhancing their communication, problem-solving, and critical thinking skills. Presentation skills foster confidence. ActiveWall offers a designated presentation area where students can hone their communication and public speaking abilities. It's a platform for growth and self-expression, setting them up for lifelong success. Every student should feel supported and included. ActiveWall provides an on-demand, calm retreat area, accommodating special needs students within the classroom. Inclusion goes beyond accessibility. It's about belonging and ensuring every student's needs are met. With ActiveWall, we can transform our classrooms into dynamic, inclusive, and collaborative spaces. Let's embrace the challenges, empower our students, and nurture a love for learning that will last a lifetime.